Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. Today I share how to make a fixed vertical sharing button bar that only appears after my user scrolls down the page. It stays fixed, allowing you to maximize your social media visibility. I use the Kadence hooked elements. You must have a Kadence Pro valid license. If it's your first time on this channel, I want to say to you it's a great pleasure for me to have you here. Thank you so much for stopping by. I do hope you stick around. On this channel, I share a lot of WordPress tutorials to help you on your online business. I'm using the Kadence Blocks free and premium versions, also the premium add-on for the Kadence theme. I've got this online website created with Kadence. I want to set up a clickable vertical sharing button bar. It will be fixed alongside the left column once the visitor scrolls down this page. This allows you to maximize your social media visibility, and your users can easily share your content over social media channels. To set up things right, you must have a valid Kadence Pro theme license. Then you just need to enable the hooked elements feature by toggling this input button. From the WordPress dashboard appearance, create a new hooked element. There are three types. The default allows you to design the element using Gutenberg blocks, Kadence blocks, or even page builders. The fixed is similar to the default, however, you get much more placement options to choose from. Your element is fixed on the screen while the user scrolls through the page, for example. That's exactly what I want, so I go with this option. I give it a name. I go with social and then I publish twice. I close this. I go to the element settings by clicking here. I go with fixed top after scrolling in the placement. This is the placement where my hooked element appears on your website. My priority, I set my priority here. An element with higher priority to the same location will show up below or after the one with lower priority. Set my custom hooked area. The width, I go with auto and position left. The X distance from edge, I go with 400. It means that element I will create in a few minutes only show up after 400 pixels scrolling distance from the edge, and the Y distance 20 pixels. Next, in the display settings, I want to set up on which page my content will be visible. I want to show on single pages, individual, and then I select the page I want this element to be visible on. There are plenty of options. You can even use this with WooCommerce or LearnDash plugins. In the user settings, I set my to visible to all users. Basically, we are specifying whether the element should appear to all users or to only login or to only log out users or to users having a specific role, like as an admin, an editor, a author, contributor, and subscriber. This is powerful. It can be very useful if you are running a promotion campaign to your logout users and you want to hide it to your login users. So to me, I want to set mine to all and then I publish. Now click on the top settings block editor to start creating the block the way I want. So I click on the plus icon to add the two columns Kadence row. I had the Kadence icon block. I select the inner section containing the column. Under the inner block direction, make sure you set it as the vertical direction. In the text color settings, padding 0, Well, I want my text alignment to the left. The icon, I choose my Facebook. The size is 32 pixels and line width 2 pixels. The color, the icon color is dark blue to match my website. However, in hover, I go with orange. And under the link section, you can add here your social media channel. One clever way to simplify your workflow is to duplicate blocks. Just click twice the Facebook block by clicking the 3-line block toolbar. Change your icons to Twitter and Instagram, and then update. Let's preview now on the front end. So there you go. Alright, this is all you have to do to create a hook element within the Kadence theme. Think about all the infinity possibilities you now have at your disposal. If you have any questions about this content, make sure to ask them in the comments below. If you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like down below. Have a great day wherever you are. I see you in my next video.